Lower pitched notes. The lower pitched notes on the piano correspond to the lower octaves. To play these notes, you need to use the keys towards the left-hand side of the piano or musical keyboard. In Indian music notation, the lower pitched notes are marked with dots below them. Higher pitched notes. The high-pitched notes on the piano correspond to the higher octaves. To play these notes, you need to use the keys towards the right-hand side of the piano or musical keyboard. In Indian music notation, the higher-pitched notes are marked with dots above them. For a better understanding, please refer to the rendered video. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa ga pa pa ma ga re ne sa ga pa sa ni da pa dha ga ma pa re ga ma re sa ni sa. We hope you enjoyed the content and are thrilled to continue this musical journey with us. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Remember to subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest lessons. Keep an eye out for more engaging tutorials.